Sunday, my people. Happy Sunday, my lovely followers. Yeah, this is Kebu TV. I can on a road tour. Today is Sunday, the second day of June 2024. Our Kebu situation road construction update have carried us to Ebana. Oh, yes, in Bend, the local government. These are part of the 67.64 kilometer road and UMUAHIA to UZUAKOLI road project being handled by 3 grade A standard construction firm, namely Grembo Construction Company, Fenotex Construction Company, and also CCECC, where I was being told that the Grembo Construction Company had a road 22 kilometer length of road. Yes, I had a road. You know what I this road. Gamma these big trees. Yes, yeah, Nukuto Oje, Oshishu Oje, Ama. So it's a very popular area, Masimba. Let me also branch here to show you guys how the work be and what we stand to benefit, and also the speed of the work. Today is Sunday, but you can as well confirm with me that the road work is ongoing. The governor have already kicked the ground running, and all everywhere. There are so many places to show you guys, but if time permits, I will do my best to make sure we show you everything that you needed to see. You can see that not only now mega expansion, mega rehabilitation, and also construction, they are also fixing the road with the dual drainages, earth moving equipment everywhere, machines everywhere, for them to achieve this. Because maybe also when the road doesn't have an existing and also suitable drainage. So Igahona comes with a very wonderful drainage channeling to various places and a channel, which means when completed, you will be rest assured that this very place will also be durable. This will be accessible, and the economic enhancements of this and also the economic farm produce productions will be able to enhance and also come back alive. So you are watching Kebu TV, and it's our calling, it's our zeal, and also it gives us so much joy to make sure we'll be giving you situation updates concerning the road construction that's happening in ABIA state to you at your doorstep. So keep watching, keep following, while we keep on doing our best and making sure that you will be heard all over the world, irrespective of your locality, irrespective of where you find yourself. So stay tuned on this dial. I got a hot chair today. Today is Sunday, the second day of June 2024. So we have so many other places for we to cover. But I know who me in Bend local government of ABIA state. Yes, here now 67.64 kilometers. And here we're part of Undenke Grembo Construction Company. So stay tuned while we show you more. My people, they want them but the money here today was Sunday. Kebu Kanukana, Ibe Aba Ebona Auto, Ibe 67.64 kilometers. His Excellency Dr. You can see the construction of the both side drainages everywhere. Here level, here can one day Grembo Construction Company handle all these sites. And then you put another some culverts, series of culverts. But at least the road is being fully expanded. Now, how much many? Yes, in the local government of ABIA state. So everywhere here will not desire attention. Everywhere is looking beautiful. Everywhere is looking sexy. And ABIA is being turned to a full construction site. That is the message, the side of our message today. Why we are here to show you how much the road, the length of the road, the total length of the road is 67.64 kilometers. Being shared by 3 capable construction firms namely Rainbow Construction Company, Fairness Construction Company, and also CC Construction Company. So we heard that the Rainbow had 22 kilometers. So all you have to hinder now. Every way that's the reason of what you are seeing here. And everything in the flooding challenge, they are doing their best to make sure that they control and also abet them everything. And so today, as I'm today, we are going to be moving on to be showing you other construction firms, not only Rainbow. So now, even now, which are unpassable for you to be UZUAKOLI off. People are now up their way. Even the other village, you are also see them. That will see them just because you want to get to your destination. Yes, it's been serious attention. Both sides drains when the shape. That's the size of our package. I don't have to buy it never to get some back. About what wise? When I don't go to Anya, when we realize this information, we don't see Anya. We see now photo. Ever wounds of so many villages. Over here, UZUAKOLI, Akara, Ozite, my very Uweke, Alai, Kechaya, Abriba, Boro. So many other places, even yes, so connected in so many places, and to make sure that they are delivering and can own Monday, look here and they wow, you can see we are there getting sun. This is a red mud, red mud with some feeling. Yeah, boy, man, I can do it forward. We are getting closer to the last minutes Sunday, the second day of 2024. Very well in terms of this very construction. I think I'm very to do because all Jakaraka, all Hebrew so just keep faith alive and also keep watching while we show you more at this very massive road construction. In our watch Cable TV, and our duty to be showing you the beauty side of ABIA. Once you are coming to invest in our state, you'll be rest assured that it is safe, security safe, electricity safe, good road network safe, and many other things. So keep faith alive. We have a lot to show you. I love you all. Yeah. So lastly, I maybe another company you can see the asphalt. Work that is ongoing. Work is still ongoing. Every year you can see our road. It's 67.64 kilometers. Banana is section 2 of the road construction. And over here, FCC, previous come from Abia State. You have never gotten it right before, but today, everywhere I show up on Abia and we're let's go shame. So calm down while we do the needful and you really want a bottle. All here could kind of me. Abelam information Boko. Yes, stay tuned. Hello, Munam, and Homa, the Kabukabu name and Amasi, Umibo worldwide. Eba Uluna was shining. I want to look at Kabukabu TV, the church order and the situation reporter. The only person we can get the whole world, the Buruburu, got with information about Roru. Today, Ober Brukulam Biabana, UZUAKOLI, even the FCC, Federal Construction Company, narrow the second section of the 67.64 kilometer being flagged up by His Excellency Dr. Chayoma Oti on our Riane Kechia. So, Cuba and Akopachanam, the 22 kilometer in the Grambo Construction Company narrow. Cuba is reside in the FCC narrow, negative about Federal Construction Company. The same company and deliver UMUAHIA and also Shalom Rose. Narrow currently. Narrows on about UMUAHIA, yeah, in Aba. So I have never had an asphalting, and honestly speaking, supernaturally speaking, wonderfully speaking, I am superly impressed with what I'm seeing. The scope of the work, the encouraging, the speed of the work, the enticing, and the quality of the work, all the loving. So Kebu is here, live and direct, to show the world through. Not here, I have a lot to show you guys. So if only you stay tuned on this side, I have a lot. You can see their PPEs and also they are well fully kitted, making sure that it will give you a new phase of life and also a road that will be durable, lovable, accessible, movable, walkable, and also drivable. I'm more English, or I'm grown at school, or I'm gonna ask ambassador. So keep watching Kebu TV and also keep enjoying and also keep sharing our videos. We have a lot to show you. Stay tuned for more. Yeah, good evening, my people. Because I know I'm working to engine of West Africa. The CEO of Kebu TV, Nigeria Limited, Abia State branch. So yeah, I'm today. Today was Sunday. Yeah, today was Sunday, the 2nd day of June 2024. I know Ngari, Nima Aba, I know Ngari, Nima UMUAHIA, I know Ngari, Nima UZUAKOLI, I know Ngari, Nima Benine, and I roll. So Obabula, Ebana, UZUAKOLI, here in the local government of Abia State, as part of the flagged up 67.64 kilometer being flagged up by His Excellency Dr. Chayoma Oti, Auroma Baboya Chayoma Oti. Kilometer spreading across 3 most capable construction firms, namely Grambo Construction Company, FCC Construction Company, Federal Construction Company, and also CCE in KG Malayawo Chinese Construction Company. So Nambido maybe Nishi because they be from UMUAHIA UZUAKOLI 67.64 kilometer. Spreading across these 3 construction firms. So in the Gramborg with the 22 kilometer, we have covered the full length of the 22 kilometer. Maybe an hour carpets, maybe an hour drainages, and so etc. and etc. So the second phase of the work, I will say, FCC Construction Company now the section 2, whereby now their own. Luckily for me, or fortunately for me, I was able to make them working on site, firing in ox cylinder, or the type of asphalting and also thickness and also the scope of work, Mureba, or the mentizing. Even only in a kidney failure, in a kidney gave you no heal. Because also, there's imagine before now. Your radio a change station. So many things have been happening, and this place here about endangered species because also anything can happen. In job as a gave, but come up about rules Come when His Excellency Dr. Les Shoma with Simba that is going to be different from others. That it's not going to be like a normal politician. Your flyer up the longest road in this administration, who amounting to 67.64 kilometers. Hana fire, Hana running just within a space of 1 year in office. That road all 1 year, but they are here like she part of his achievements. And now you will be seeing the mobilization, you will be seeing the strategy, you will be seeing the magic, you will be seeing the speed, you will be seeing the passion, and also cohesion. I will be able today. Time check is a few minutes after 5. I'm not going to but today was Sunday, the 2nd day of June 2020. I left ABIA City, Simba. Come there, but you couldn't hear me now. Hogamata no have a book and I'm working at Congo. About maybe a rascal. I remember come near Zimboa or those in name. A woman may for the answer when I'm making to make you were an ego. Some of you say for Kamegula, but they obey the Mumba today. So what you are seeing here is what is obtainable, what is achievable, what is lookable, what is admirable, and what is notable. So here about today. So it's our duty to be making sure that Abians will be fully involved in this group of things. Abians will be fully involved. Now, our dear states. And next time, I will be able to get to the extreme in meeting other construction firms. Then I'm gonna worry about all that goes in our button obey. All one to look at cable TV. All here good can keep following, keep sharing, keep liking, keep commenting, keep reacting, and also keep inviting your friends and loved ones, even your enemies, to subscribe to Cable TV. Maka, we got the magic, we got the passion, we got the connection, we got the love, we got the everything to give you a situation update, verifiable update, and also factuality at its best. Thank you and stay tuned for more.